Sorry, I'm eating, as you can see. It is literally 2:50 in the morning. This week has been a week. Been busy, so I'm recording this video early in the morning. This video, I am making loaded nachos, loaded taco nachos. I'm a poet, and I didn't even know it on National Poetry Month. So I'm going to use ground. I had it in the house. I know I just used lamb, and I keep using lamb. I had it in the house. Ground lamb. You can use whatever protein you want to use. Ground lamb, ground beef, ground turkey, tofu, chicken, whatever you want to use. Ground chicken, whatever you have, whatever you want to go and get, whatever you have in the house. This is what I'm using for my protein. Salt, chopped onions, paprika, chili powder, oregano leaves, granulated garlic, olive oil. I should save this for last. Street taco flour tortillas, sour cream, $1 per daisy, sweet, golden sweet corn, black beans, tomato, and it wouldn't be tacos without cumin. So I preheated the oven to 400 degrees, waiting for that to heat up. And while I wait for that to heat up, I'm going to start on my meat. Over. Wait for that to heat up a little bit. I'll open my black beans as well and drain those. Open my corn too. Oh yeah, I forgot lime too. I opened my can of beans and my can of corn. I'm gonna put that to the side. Put my meat in. Oh, oven is ready, so I'm going to put my tortillas in here. Before I put the tortillas in the oven, I cut them up. I took them out of the package, cut them into squares, cut them into quarters. I took about 3 or 4 whole tortillas, cut those into 4s. And then I sprinkled some olive oil on them. And then I mixed some cumin and some salt together. And then I put that on the tortillas and shook until they were coated, and that's how I made my tortilla chips. I cooked most of it. All of it is not cooked all the way through yet, but it's going to cook with the seasoning, so I'm going to season it now. I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder, because you know I'm a punk for my spices. And some paprika. And some granulated garlic. Didn't have powder. So just gonna use that. Didn't have onion powder either, so I'm using chopped. That ain't even open. Oh yes it is. I'm using chopped onions. A little bit of those. Some oregano leaves. Some salt. Oh, that might be too much. Don't tell nobody. And then some. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Okay. I'm going to stir this. You can add water to it to make it more like in the consistency that you would get like at a taco place. You know, the one that has a bell. But I don't want that. I don't want it to be like pet food. I'm gonna not put, and it made its own water, so, or its own liquid, so I'm just gonna use that. I'm going to add, we'll turn down the heat. I don't think there's enough cumin in it. Ooh. I'm going to add my beans. Let those cook a little bit. I could have just added them on the top, but I wanted those to get the flavor too of the taco seasoning. Okay, don't force me. I'm gonna add some more cumin. All gone. Let that cook. I didn't even see what time I put my chips in. But I'm going to check them. They're still soft. I want them to get crispy. You almost make the taco meat like I made my beef patty meat filling. Or meat pie, because I didn't use beef. I used lamb. No. What did we use? What did we use? Did we use beef? I think we used turkey. I can't remember. But it wasn't beef. But you make it almost the same. Just a little bit, little different ingredients. Some the same, some different. Okay, this is cooked through. Let's taste it. Burn my hand or my mouth. I've been burnt enough in the past month. Perfect. Okay. Now that's done.
Do you want the young child in your life to learn their ABCs in a unique way? Do you want them to learn about themselves, their family history, and at the same time help them build a positive self-esteem? Well, the personalized ABC About Me book is the product for you. And this personalized book for the little one in your life, each letter of the alphabet is used to help the child learn the names of the important people in their life, places associated with them, and is used as a positive adjective to help the child develop a positive vocabulary about themselves and the people in their lives. The letters are paired with pictures for image association and people recognition. The first step to ordering the book is to fill out a form with the child's name, birth date, and birthplace. Then either by yourself or with the help of the creator of ABC About Me, Rashawn E. Forrest, yours truly, will come up with those adjectives, names of relatives, and places associated with the child. The pictures that appear in the book can come from the parent or other family members. Or a photo shoot at my studio, Life in the Daylight Studios, can be done of your little special one with props. You and I will come up with the theme and color scheme for the book. If you would like more information about ordering the child in your life a personalized ABC About Me book, please email abcaboutme@gmail.com. With ABC About Me, building a child's self-esteem and identity is easy.
Well, I used our cumin and I didn't mean to. I had to use it again in this recipe, but it's okay. I just got too excited and too happy. I guess I don't need it. I have enough in there pasted. But I'm going to cut these up. Wish I had an air fryer. We did have one. We don't right now. I made my tortilla chips in an air fryer. Quick, easy, and they come out perfect. The consistency I want them to. Nice and crispy, but not too hard. And you don't have to turn on the big oven, big gas oven. But it's okay. Alright, that's enough. Tomatoes. Okay, they're hard now. So those are done. It's a real quick and easy meal. I didn't realize it's going to be this fast and this easy. And I'm going to arrange my chips. You can do a pile or you can do it where it's stacked on. I want to do a pile. We're making nachos. I'm gonna try one. It's a good snack to eat just by itself too. Some lettuce. Rinse it off. Dry it off. And while I'm drying it off, I'm ripping it. I don't want no big heart of romaine on my nachos. I want little pieces. Put that on top. I might have gotten a plate that's too small, but it's okay. Now what I was going to do with some more cumin was I was going to take this, but it hasn't been opened. Oop. So I'm going to take some of this, put some in here, put some cumin in there. Then I'm just gonna cut up my lemon. My lemon. I'm so used to eating. I usually don't eat limes. Take some lime, squeeze it in there. A little salt. Himalayan salt is salty. And mix that together. Good. Okay. Take some meat. Let me rinse out. I don't know if I rinsed them all. Yeah. I'm going to rinse my corn as well. What I want to take next. I'll take the corn. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Take the corn. I guess take the cheese. I should put the cheese on first. So it can melt. See? Take cheese. Then I should have put the corn. So just make believe I put the cheese on and then the corn. And then some tomatoes. Drop the tomato. And then take a dollop. Hey, take a dollop. Of my sour cream and put it on top. That is good. That's how good it is. I don't want it to go to waste. Oh my gosh. I guess I can take and do it like that. It's not getting it like I want. My finger's doing a better job. Okay.
Daylight Candles is a company where the candles are made to the preference of the customer. All candles are made with soy wax and are between 5 to 8 ounces. There are a few ways you can choose your candle. You can choose your own personal oil and or color, or you can choose a candle from one of our many candle lines. One of our candle lines is the Daylight of Autumn, featuring scents like Apple Harvest, Caramel Popcorn, Red Hot Cinnamon, Hot Apple Pie, Cinnamon Stick, Macintosh Apple, and everyone's favorite Toasted Pumpkin Spice. A portion of the proceeds for the candles that are sold for charity are given to organizations that are near and dear to the company. The Daylight Hale line features scents that you would smell if you were to visit the beach. Seesaw and Orchid, Plumeria, Hibiscus Palm, Beach Linen, Ocean Breeze, and Ocean Rose. Daylight Royalty features our CEO's 2 favorite scents. One candle is called Queen, and it is infused with the scent inspired by Bath & Body Works' Mad About You fragrance. There's also Palace, and it is infused with magnolia and peony oil. Daylight Candles, igniting your life with fragrance and shining through the darkness. That's what it looks like. It's a little messy, but it's okay. I'm trying to get the perfect bite. I wasn't able to get everything in it, but I've been looking forward to making this all week. I'm getting ready for a vendor event that I'm doing at a women's conference this weekend. That's why I was concentrating on that. Now, that was the perfect bite. It had everything in it, and it was good. Another successful meal. Thanks for watching. I'm going to finish eating at 3:30 in the morning, and then I'm going to go to bed and start my day. I'll see you later.